Amazing stunt car, double sides running and extreme 360-degree tumbling, great outside toys, nice gift birthday present for 6 to 12 years old kids. Car measurements LXWXH, 16 by 14.7 by 7 centimeters, 6.3 by 5.8 by 2.76 inches. Full function. 360-degree rotation dance, double-sided running, 360-degree stunt flip, forward backward, turn left right. This is a unique gift that can bring different driving pleasures to your child. Off-road, with high-quality soft and elastic rubber tires, shock absorption, grip extremely strong, skid resistance, doesn't fear the slippery road. No matter indoor or outdoor, land, sandy beach, grasslands can be breakthrough easily. Safety, high-quality ABS plastic and spray painting, to make sure the material safe. The car fixed with dozens of screws and high-class electronic elements to ensure the structure safe. Say goodbye to the boring toys. This stunt